Hey, good morning, Sila Moto here, and I have a Ducati Super Sport 2017, and I don't like the exhaust and the sound holder, so I'm gonna put it some off the market exhaust on it, and see what is the difference, and share with you guys. All right, this is a exhaust I have on my bike right now, so let's check out how it sounds. And it's not only by the sounds. I don't like this area right here. Every time I have to walk under my tire, it give me a hard time to take off this too because it's the two slip on it. This one on top and it's another slip on it inside. So I don't like that feeling. Every time I put my tire on it is easy, but when I get it to the exhaust, it's frustrated because got two screw in the back here where I have to in tight and tight. It's hard to get to them, so it's kind of like a pain in the butt sometimes, and I don't like this big stuff in the bottom here. I don't know. I love this bike. Is a nice design, smooth. Only thing I don't like about it is this exhaust right here. I don't like the look, and it have to go. So I find some off market exhaust. So you guys gonna see that I'm taking to the shop right now, local shop, and to put that on and share with you guys. Yeah. Let's look at how the new exhaust look like on. Whoa, this is it's looking hot. This baby looking nice. I can't wait to. All right, let's start this baby and see how it sounds. Look at this sound. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this exhaust sound amazing. See? Woo! Let's give it some gas. Tell you guys, this new exhaust in my bike looking sick. Look, the color with the carbon fiber on top here, and looking nice, and it sounds way better than the original one Ducati had on it. And it's smaller and looking nice and smooth. If my little man fall in love with this new exhaust, I'm telling you, man, it's worth it. To change your exhaust. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. I'm happy with the look, the sound. It's amazing.